Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an updated tutorial on how I apply my press-on nails at home. I'm basically using a slightly different technique. Plus, I'll share a cute simple nail design at the end. So as always, everything will be linked in the description box below. So let's just get started. Prepping your nails is super important before gluing on your press-ons. I like to start with a cuticle gel and a metal scraper to clean my cuticles. This step makes such a difference and only takes a minute. I forgot to show this part, but always make sure to file your natural nails before applying the nail dehydrator. If you don't have a nail dehydrator, you can always use alcohol instead. It's not exactly the same, but it does strip your nails of oils, which helps the press-ons to stick better. Personally, I like using a dehydrator because it's specifically made to help nails adhere longer. Next, I'm figuring out which sizes work for my nails. Take your time with this step because improperly sized press-ons can lift prematurely or just not look as natural. You want them to fit perfectly and you want them to last 3 weeks. So once I've picked the right sizes, I go in and buff the inside of the press-ons with a nail drill or a regular nail file, whatever you have. This roughens up the surface so the glue has something to hold on to, and it makes a huge difference on how well they stick. So before gluing on the nails, I like to apply a top coat first, and then I cured each side for 60 seconds. So I put them in, cured it for 60 seconds, then I flipped the nails over and cured it for an additional 60 seconds just to make sure I'm getting the other side because it was sticking out. Now it's time to glue them on. I'm using my go-to Beauty Secrets nail glue. So you basically want to just apply enough glue to cover your natural nail, but don't go too crazy because you want the nail to adhere properly without spilling out. So I just apply a few drops on the nail and then a few drops on my nail. Then I put the press-on on. When you press the nail on, don't push too hard because you don't want to squeeze the glue out from underneath. This step takes a little bit of practice, but if you apply too much glue and it oozes out, just wipe it away quickly. And if there's any dried glue left, you can fix it with a layer of top coat later. I love these because they are gel press-ons, so they're so much stronger than the typical press-ons that you find at the store. If the nails that you have are a little bit thinner, apply a builder gel before your top coat just to make them a little sturdier. That way they don't crack and they last 3 weeks. You also want to make sure that you're filing the top of your nails and creating the shape that you want. I mean, it's already shaped, but you can make it a little bit more rounded, a little bit pointy. You can make them shorter. I didn't make them any shorter because they are short nails. And once you're done with that, your nails are basically done, but I wanted to take it a step further. Since Christmas is coming up, I thought it'd be really cute to add a little design to make my nails extra festive. I'm not the best at nail design, so I chose the easiest thing that I know how to do, which is chrome nails. So I got my chrome nail powders from Amazon. They're super easy to use. Don't worry if it gets a little messy. You can easily wipe away the extra powder off your skin. Once the chrome powder is on, I finish off with a top coat and cure each hand for 60 seconds. And that's it. If you followed all these steps, your press-on nails should last up to 3 weeks, which is freaking amazing. I hope this tutorial was helpful, especially if you're new to press-ons or just looking to improve the way you do them. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and subscribe. Leave me a comment with any video requests you may have. I'd love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.